4-piece cashier cabinet counter. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 77 inches, a depth of 18 inches, depth between the rack towards the end of the cabinet, we have 23 inches, and a height of 35.5 inches tall. And a height without the base, we have 28 inches. And the height for the base, we have 7 3/4 inches. This combination consists of 4 different sections. The fourth and final section will consist of one counter, with the length being 23 3/4 inches. For the single cabinet with shelf rack, the measurements for each shelf rack will include 4 3/4 inches in depth by 1 inch in height, and a height of 22.5 inches to the top of the first shelf. Coming to the back of the single counter will be one slide-out drawer, and coming to the bottom will be a shelf that will hold your products or stock in the first and bottom level. The measurements for each level, we have 22.5 inches in length, 15 3/4 inches in depth, and a height of 9.5 inches tall. Measurements apply for the first and bottom level. These individual sections can be purchased separately from our website and can be interchanged with any combination display that you would like to set up. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.